I had gone out to the garden on Saturday morning to gather corn, and I was gathering corn and it kept falling off my arm, and I'd pick it up and put it on and fall off. And then I just collapsed. Had no clue there was anything wrong with me, but my husband knew right away I'd had a stroke, so they got an ambulance, got me to, my husband and son got me to Fort Sanders Regional as rapid as could be, and they rolled me in. I was totally paralyzed in my left side. Everyone would say squeeze my hand, but I couldn't squeeze. And the nurse said, asked if she could give me the shot, the clot buster, and I said yes, and they gave me the shot, and within minutes she told me to squeeze her hand, and I was able to, and she turned around to the others and said it worked, and I'm so grateful that I was taken to Fort Sanders Regional because they were awesome. The care was absolutely great from the time that they rolled me in until the time I was released. And I'm just so grateful to the doctors and the nurses and everyone at Fort Sanders Regional for all the great care.